So for my controllers project, I actually used the keyboard on my laptop and the trackpad to act as a mouse, and I was able to trigger samples depending on which key I pressed and how far I moved my mouse on the horizontal axis. So I did this by using the key function, threw that into a integer box, into a K slider. By using the poly, the route, the S and the R button, I was able to trigger specific samples, which were then toggled onto my sample. And then by using the mouse state over here, I was able to map my movement of my mouse on its x-axis, so going from left to right, and then was then plugged into my live gain. So all in all, when I press my button, it triggers my sample. Then when I move my mouse from left to right, I'm increasing or decreasing the gain depending. So go in, press my button right there, have my sample playing. If I go to the left, the gain cuts, sound goes down. If I go to the right, it gets a bit louder. So kind of using this ideology, if I took it more steps and triggered more samples, triggered different, maybe a pitch shift or different functions on the y-axis with my mouse, I'd be able to have a majority of different things. I could have a like a sequencer or a crossfader between songs, depending on if I go to my right or my left, and just a lot of opportunities and options with this. But that's kind of how I set up my controller project.